Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this nice question. Solve the equation 4 raised to power 5x divided by 2 raised to power 3x all raised to power 2 is equal to 256. So the first thing we want to do is just rewrite each and every term in this equation to a common base. So you can choose to write it to base 4 or to base 2. So let us go with base 4. So let us rewrite. So we're going to have 4 raised to power 5x and divide by, so you can write 2 power 2 as 4 and it is raised to power 3x. So we're going to have that as 4 raised to power 3x is equal to 256, and we can write 256 as 4 raised to power 4. So from here we're just going to apply the second law of indices, where we're going to have if you have a number a raised to power n and you want to divide that by a raised to power m, that will be the same as a raised to power n minus m. So let us apply that in this particular expression or equation. So we're just going to have 4 raised to power 5x minus 3x is equal to 4 raised to power 4. So as you can see, the bases are the same. We have 4 and we have 4. So it means the powers are also the same. So on the left hand side, we have 5x minus 3x, which is just 2x. And on the right hand side, we have 4. So we can get x by just dividing both sides by 2. So that we have x is equal to 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.